guys, welcome to Tasty Tech. Vu here, and today we will be making elote. Traditionally it's served on the cob, but today we're going to teach you the in the cup version called Esquites, which makes the perfect side dish. Now I will be handing it off to Shane to show you his version that he's perfected.
We use corn, mayo, sour cream, Mexican crema, some chili powder, hot sauce, and the crumbly cheese. When you bite into this, you're going to experience a lot of spicy flavors combined with creaminess, cheesiness, and a little citric goodness. We have a little bowl inside of a bowl. Makes it nice and easy to cut the corn this way. It just falls down in place. Try not to get too close so you get a little fibrous part.